To add a co-teacher to GoGuardian, first open your WASD dashboard. Then find the GoGuardian icon and select it. Once you've opened GoGuardian, you will see your students, and under Classrooms on the left, you can see your active classrooms listed. If you do not see the classroom you're looking for, come over to the left and select Pending. Here you will see all the classrooms that PowerSchools is assigned to you. Simply accept the one that you need. Now that your classroom is active, select Settings. Come down to Add Co-Teachers. Right here. When you select Add Co-Teachers, it'll list everybody that is labeled a teacher in this classroom. You should see your name appear right here. To add a co-teacher, select Add Teacher. The Add Teacher pop-up window appears. Now search for the teacher you're looking for. The best way to search is through their email address. When you see their name, select it. Now we need to assign a classroom role. Here, select the drop-down box, and you have a choice between owner, teacher, or helper. You want to select Teacher. Choose Add Teacher, and you should see a box at the top that pops up that says the teacher has successfully been added to your classroom. You will see their name listed here. A quick note about the permissions given to each person. Helpers can view your students in the active sessions. The teachers can add or remove students or start sessions, and owners can add or remove teachers or archive classrooms or edit their info. If you no longer need someone to have permission to your classroom, under Teachers, select Remove. That teacher will be taken out of your active classroom.